Imagine a time long ago, almost 252 million years in the past. The Earth looked very different then. All the continents were joined together in a giant supercontinent called Pangaea. The climate was warm and life flourished on land and in the seas. Giant insects buzzed through the air. Reptiles, some small and lizard-like, others large and powerful, roamed the land. The oceans teemed with strange and wonderful creatures like trilobites, ammonites, and massive coral reefs. This was the Permian period, a time of incredible biodiversity. Life was thriving, but this vibrant world was about to face its greatest challenge yet. Deep inside the Earth, in a region we now call Siberia, a massive volcano began to erupt. This was not an ordinary eruption, it was an event of unimaginable scale and fury. Lava spewed from cracks in the Earth's crust for thousands of years, covering an area the size of Australia with molten rock. These eruptions, known as the Siberian Traps, released enormous amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The air grew thick with ash and toxic fumes, blocking out the sun and plunging the planet into darkness. The Earth was heating up at an alarming rate, and the consequences for life would be devastating. As carbon dioxide from the eruptions filled the atmosphere, it acted like a giant blanket, trapping heat from the sun. Global temperatures soared and the oceans began to warm. This warmer water could hold less oxygen, suffocating marine life. But the real killer was yet to come. The excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere didn't just stay in the air, it also dissolved into the oceans, making the water more acidic. This acidification was catastrophic for marine life. Shells dissolved, coral reefs bleached and died, and entire ecosystems collapsed. On land, the situation was equally dire. Acid rain formed from the sulfur dioxide released by the volcanoes scorched the land, killing plants and poisoning the soil. Section 4. Life on the brink. The combined effects of extreme heat, acid rain, and ocean acidification proved too much for most life on Earth to bear. Over thousands of years, the planet slipped into its worst extinction event, a period now known as the Great Dying. Forests vanished in wildfires, leaving behind barren wastelands. The oceans became silent graveyards, littered with the remains of once thriving ecosystems. Over 90% of all marine species and 70% of terrestrial species perished. The Earth was a shadow of its former self, a desolate reminder of the power of nature's fury. But even in the face of such unimaginable destruction, life clung on. A few hardy species managed to survive, their resilience a testament to the tenacity of life itself. Section 5. The long road to recovery. Millions of years passed after the Great Dying. Slowly, painfully, life began to recover. The Earth cooled, the oceans absorbed the excess carbon dioxide, and ecosystems began to rebuild. New species evolved to fill the empty niches left by the extinction, leading to the rise of the dinosaurs in the Triassic period. The Great Dying had reshaped the trajectory of life on Earth, paving the way for new ecosystems and, ultimately, our own existence. The Permian-Triassic extinction event, a stark reminder of the fragility of life, serves as a powerful lesson from Earth's deep history. It reminds us that even in the face of unimaginable catastrophe, life finds a way to endure, adapt and evolve. It compels us to study the past, understand our present, and safeguard the future of our planet.